Okay, so I also want to go over with you finding points in a linear equation. If you watched the video about writing linear equations, you would have seen that we had two equations. One equation for your bank account in which you have $400 saved up and you are increasing by $25 every week because you've been babysitting. So let's say you want to know how much money you will have by your mom's birthday. And let's say your mom's birthday is, let's say it is 6 weeks away. So remember, in this case, X was the number of weeks and Y was the money in your accounts. Okay, so if you want to figure out how much money you're going to have in 6 weeks, well, I make $25 each week. So if I multiply that by 6, I'll figure out how much money I'll make in those 6 weeks. Well, 25 times 6 gives me $150. So I make $150 in those 6 weeks. Plus, I want to add in the $400 that was already there, which will give me a total of $550 in 6 weeks. If, let's say, you are saving up for something that you really want, and your mom's gift, you find out that she really wants a very pretty piece of jewelry that costs $800. Okay, so the total cost that you want to save is $800. So that needs to be the money that's now in your account. All right, so let's think of that. So there's already $400 in your account. So what we'll want to do is we'll want to take away $400 from this $800 to figure out how much you need to save. So we might take away that $400 there. And so you'll need to save $400 more in order to save a total of $800. You should also probably tell your mom to have less expensive gifts in mind, but we're going to keep rolling with this. So you need to save a total of $400. And now you also know that you save $25 each week. So if you save $25 each week and you need $400, you will take that $400 and divide it by 25 to figure out how many weeks you need. If you do that, you'll figure out that you'll have to save for 16 weeks in order to have $800 saved. Now, you might also see this written like this on occasion. Our 800 is our Y, so 400 plus 25x equals 800. I take away my 400 from both sides because if I do the same thing to both sides, then they still remain equal or balanced. I get 25x. 800 minus 400 is equal to 400. Because that doesn't change, I just get 0 plus 25x. And then lastly, I would divide this both sides by 25, and you get 16 here. So this is a more formal way to do it like we solved it over here.